Peter Obi is too late. Don't give us advice. Obi will ever remain a boy. Hear what you talk.
If we are at war, let's declare war. And everybody know we are at war. There's nothing wrong with that. This is not time for anybody to keep quiet. This is not time for you to even be honoring politicians until things start working. Because don't work.
Igbo man, they call me thief. Igbo man. How ironic. Igbo man go call another person thief. Onyochi. Igbo man go call another person thief. Onyochi. Igbo man wey DNA na thief. Me wey don't escape, enter a job. Say my DNA 50% or don't come out. You will be 100% Igbo wey your DNA na thief. They call me thief. For this world, who thief pass Igbo people? For the whole world. Oh, Igbo man, they call me thief. You people have no training. You have no training. So you behave like that you are. You claim the victim. Asari said this one. Asari said that one. Hey, nothing, no. You know bother me.
I understand one thing in life. Once actor die for movie, the movie no go sweet again. The movie go end. Days of obedience is over. Nigeria don't need obedient pikin. They need stubborn and God get children. That's the need for Nigeria. Our leaders need iron hand. Time of doing, leave me them alone. Don't worry. God will fight for you. God will do this one. It's over. God will never fight for any man. Now you want to declare war, Peter Obi is too late. Come 2027. We are fully ready for this, our leaders. We are fully ready for them. Nobody will give us advice.
From wetin dey happen for this country show say we no dey serious at all. We no dey serious as a person. At this time wey person still dey call person Igbo man. At this time wey person dey see person as Yoruba man. At this person wey person still dey see person as Hausa man, as an Ijaw man. We never dey serious. We never dey serious for this country. You don't go market where they sell yam, tell you say this one na Igbo yam 5,000. This one na Yoruba garri 8,000. Or this one na Igbo potato 5,000. Anything get any tribe price. But now we they take this thing, we don't mean anything, take the scatter ourselves. We never ready. We never ready. Person we still listen to Asari talk about we don't know in tribe, we don't know where he come from. Still never they ready. See Asari where in life don't finish. They talk of tribe. We never ready for this country. Tinubu, if you finish this your term, carry and give person where in life remain 5%. We know they get patience for this life. We don't they cause people because say in no fight, in no declare war, make people picking and go just die for nothing. Making no declare war, make people picking no go die for nothing. I mean, they say a weak man. We never ready for this country. Now so we call Jonathan, and carry the power. Give us, say no, we carry him. We don't carry and give who we want. Now we they miss Jonathan now. Give Jonathan this presidency for free. He no go collect him, lie. Dash him this presidency. He no go take him. We don't play with Buhari, cause Buhari don't carry and give Tinubu. Tinubu no give him better person. Give him person wey be Tinubu pro mass. Wey a health percent na 5%. No give him anybody wey get brain inside. Give him person wey go pepper this country well. Now what we deserve. We don't need better person for this country at all. All of us go suffer. We go buy one cup of rice 2,000. We go hear them for this country. As we know one get sense. We still they do tribalism where hunger they beat all of us. Now hunger will finish us. I don't even want me Tinubu give better person. People we don't even go for presidency again. We want me they give person like Hope or Hope who's on them make him the president. Make all of us hear him. Make hunger finish all of us. Because now what do we want? Now what do we want? What do we want? As people we know they okay for us. We need person we go pepper us. Tinubu go 8 years. After 8 years, carry and give 1 year rubbish man. Make him finish all of us once. Now what do we want? Now waiting we deserve, we don't get sense, we don't want better for ourselves. We want person we go crush us, finish us, destroy us. Now so we want them. And now waiting we go see for next tenor. Do 8 years, no do 4 years, die or do any. Complete them 8 years, pata, make it enter everybody body. Make everybody collect woto. That's why I won't make it be. As we still get high, hunger never beat us reach where we go see ourselves as one. May we pursue what they pursue us. Hunger never squeeze our belly well. May we know say that the same hunger they catch all of us. Say that the same thing they do all of us. May we they call Igbo, they call outside, they call Yoruba. We go hear them. We never even start. Tinubu never even go 2 years. We just they cry. He go do 8 years. Carry and give one Alemajiri who don't even get sense. He go rule us for another 8 years. All of us go hear them.